Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to transfer photos from iPhone to PC and laptop. So let's get started. First, connect your iPhone to your computer using a cable. Plug one end into your iPhone and the other into the USB port of your computer. If needed, remove it from your charger first. Once connected, a pop-up will appear on both your phone and computer. On your phone, tap Trust and then enter your passcode. Now on your computer, go to the search bar and type Photos. Open the Photos app. At the top right, click on Import. Then select Apple iPhone. It may take a few moments for all the photos to load depending on how many you have. Make sure your iPhone stays unlocked during this process. If photos do not appear, it's likely because you didn't tap Trust. Once the photos load, select the ones you want to transfer. Tap on each photo to select it, then press Add. You can choose an existing folder or create a new one. Click Import and wait for the process to finish. Once done, go to your Pictures folder to find the imported photos. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.